Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing good. So today I'm back here. To be honest, preparing videos on the same day, so don't mind on that. So yeah, if you're new to my channel, my name is Swati and my channel is called Swati Lovely Life. So I'm here to show you the second part of my haul video. And in case you have not watched my first part, it's on the description box below. Please do watch the first part as well. So let's begin with today's second part. Today's products will be from Purple and Amazon.com. So let's begin guys without much waste. And if you're new to my video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit on the bell icon below so that you will be notified when I upload new videos. Okay, let's get started. So the next package is from purple.com. Okay guys, so yeah, quite some interesting products I must say. So this, as you can see, is the Nivea deodorant from Nivea. Okay, it's Pearl and Beauty for beautiful underarms. I like this packaging, the way you open and close. It has a good smell. Yeah, it smells really nice. So it's a good package guys, and it was on a great discount during the Purple sale. The next product I have is Biotic Bio Peach Clarifying and Refining Peel Off Mask for oily and acne prone skin. So this is the package. I don't know how it is. I have not gone through the reviews as well. So I will be using it shortly and I will share the review with you guys how it works. The next product I have with me is the Blue Heaven Diamond Blush On for Soft Expression. So this is a package I got. This is how it is. Wow, you get a brush outside, like a sponge to apply the blush, which is a good thoughtful thing. Because as you must be knowing, Blue Heaven is the most inexpensive brand when it comes to makeup products. So yeah, it has a seal as well, which is a good thing to know that it has not been used, and it also mentioned do not accept if the seal is broken. So it's a good thing. Oh, it's really difficult to remove it guys. So yes, hopes it opens up now. Ooh. Ah, I opened it finally. So this is a beautiful shade I bought. It is a reddish, maybe the same blush that I've applied, and the pigmentation is like this. It's very well pigmented guys. If you can see, it's a very beautiful color, peachy color. Not peachy, it's mauvish. It's beautiful. I had an offer on Blue Heaven products that buy 2 get 2 free. So I bought 4 products from Blue Heaven. Actually I got these 2 free. This is a blush, and the other product I got is this liquid lipstick from Blue Heaven. I actually have looked into this after I bought it because it was a free product, and trust me guys, it's so good. It is non-transferable, it is long lasting, everything you could think of for just 95 rupees. You can see this is a swatch of it. It's a dark red. Actually, during my last purchase, I wanted a dark shade of red lipstick, and I happened to buy one from Faces Canada, but that didn't turn out to be that dark red. This is the color I was looking for, and I'm happy I got it. I'll show you too. I'll apply it. See that? Wow. This is the last thing I could expect at that price. I mean, it's so beautiful, so nice. This, I never expected this pigmentation. If you saw guys, I just picked it up from the swatch and I applied it on my lips, and my lips is completely red with that natural effect. I wouldn't expect anything more, man. Seriously, it's good. Let it dry. I will show you if how well it doesn't transfer, it doesn't move out. Wow, seriously, I'm loving this color. So yeah, that was in this box. I'm done with this box. Now let's move on to the next box, guys. This is also from Purple. So yes, the next product. Okay, this has dried meanwhile. See this? It is non-transfer. It doesn't transfer much. Very little. Yes, it does transfer, but not much. I mean, for the amount we are paying, like guys, 200, 300, 400 rupees lipstick are not do transfer. So obviously 95 rupees lipstick, little bit transfer is still fine compared to, I mean, you can get 4 lipsticks for 400. What else would you need? Little bit of transfer is still fine. I love this lipstick. Okay. So yes, the next product I have is my favorite brand, Bartik. So this is a Biofruit Whitening Depigmentation Tan Removal Face Pack. Okay guys, so this is a face pack. I wanted to try how it works. I have seen good reviews on this product. Yeah, but by the way, I forgot to tell you, for the ones who haven't watched the part 1 and you're directly watching this, before I begin with further products, let me tell you the products, the disclaimer. The products I'm showing in this video are only for you to see or have an idea what you could expect in the coming days for me to review, and they are nothing to do with advertising or anything that would provoke you to buy these products. I will share a review in future on these products only if you like the review, if you feel what I'm telling is true, or if you still feel that you need to try out that product, only then you can go ahead. Please don't tell Swati told me and I purchased these products. No, this is not an advertisement. The reason I'm telling this, guys, I got a few of my viewers asking me, messaging me and asking if I'm advertising things. No, I'm not. When I picked this Bartik product, I got this thought suddenly because Bartik is my favorite brand. Most of the time you will find me reviewing Bartik products. So I got a few messages from few of my viewers telling that, are you advertising Bartik? Definitely not. I have no collaboration with Bartik. You can check my Instagram, you can check my YouTube. I'm only a beginner. I did not get any collaboration till date. These whatever reviews I'm sharing on this channel is completely my own personal opinion. I'm not advertising. It is only for the review purpose. In case you want to buy them, you can go ahead and buy them. Okay guys, so let's begin. Let's continue. One more product from Bartik. This is Bio White Advanced Fairness Treatment. It's a cream. It's a day cream from Bartik again. Bartik is my favorite brand, guys. So you will find me getting a lot of Bartik, but you must be seeing in this haul I have only these 2 products from Bartik. No, 3. I'm sorry. 3 products. I have also purchased this serum from Bartik. This is a Dandelion Visibly Ageless Serum for all skin types. So yeah, I will review this product when I have used it, and I feel it's time to share the review. So the next product I have here, guys, are these. Again, there are 2 products. They are from Blue Heaven. So one of these is both of them are the eyeshadow palettes from Blue Heaven. I like Blue Heaven, guys, because they are so thoughtful. Even in this chotu packs, they have such cute brushes coming along. So this is a brush I got from Blue Heaven inside the package, and with these 4 shades. It's a beautiful shade with white, grey, brown. So yeah, I like this palette. It's pigmented. Let me show you the pigmentation. So where will I swatch it? Here, yeah, see that? So well pigmented, guys. It's really nicely pigmented. I love it. Just like I told you, I got 4 products from Blue Heaven because I had an offer, buy 2 get 2 free. So I didn't know what to buy actually from Blue Heaven. I already had mascara from Blue Heaven. I already have enough of kajals. Blue Heaven eyeliners I don't like much. Foundation I didn't want a foundation from Blue Heaven. I don't know why. I didn't see good reviews about it. So all option I had was the blush, one more product, and these 2 that is the eyeshadows from Blue Heaven. One more is the same eyeshadow with the cute chotu sa brush. I like this brush. Even this one had a brush. This is strongly scented though, I don't know why. Yeah, and these are the colors. It has total of 12 colors, which is really nice. And I think this was at around 125 rupees, which is a very reasonable rate. Let me swatch it again for you guys. I'll swatch a different color because it has a pink color. I like the pink also. So this is the swatch of it, if you can see. Wow, look at the pigmentation, guys. Wow, it's so good. But these are shimmery colors. I'm not that great fan of shimmery colors. I like the matte finish colors on all my makeup products. I like matte finished makeup. But let's see how it is. No harm. It's a free product. I got it. I mean, I don't know which is a free product exactly, but I paid for only 2 out of the 2 eyeshadows, 1 lipstick, and what is the other one? Yeah, blush. Out of these, I only like, I don't know which one was a free, but out of all these 4 products, I paid only for the 2, which is really good. So the next product I have here is from NY Bae. So this is a product from NY Bae. It is a green color eyeliner, and it is somewhat with a shimmer. It comes somewhat a shimmery green. I like it. I know I told you I am a lover of matte, but I don't know, this eyeliner especially, I liked it a lot. I don't know why I liked it, but I liked it. See, this is a color. If you can see the green color, it's a shimmery green. It's nice. The next product I have here is from Bella Vista. One is a glossy gold and the other one is a black Dale. So this is I know this haul has a lot of eyeliners. This is the golden color eyeliner which comes. This has a beautiful sketch pen like needle, which is very good. Applicator is very nice, and the pigmentation is great, guys. This, wow, it's really good pigmentation as well. The next product I'm going to show you is from Bella Vista. So the applicator is going to look the same with a marker like applicator, I'm sure. No, black, but the applicator is a brush here. But I love the pigmentation of this as well. This is not something I expected for this price. Seriously, I got very good products and I'm happy with that. The black color you see is the one I just applied. Let's test it all. I have NY Bay, Bella Vista and Blue Heaven. So let's see how these eyeliners are. Before that, let's give time for it to set. The next product I have is from Steakworky. It's the foundation. Look hot, but store this in a cool place. Wow, what a... Yeah, this is an applicator. It comes in a pump form. And I just don't want to apply a lot. It goes exactly with my skin tone. I don't know how I'm going to like it. It doesn't have any smell. It doesn't smell much. So I'm going to try this and tell you how it worked. I don't know. It is matching exactly with my skin tone. So this was a brighter shade available with them. Me being not that fair, it's not suiting. I don't know whatever would happen with the people who are really fair. And yeah, this is a pretty packaging. I don't know what it is actually called. Vayam, because I have seen people pronouncing it as Vayam as well, and Vayam. I thought it is Vayam, but I have seen a few YouTubers who have pronounced this as Vayam. So I don't know. It's from the Vayam or Vayam Ayurveda. If you can see, this is a age-defining pomegranate face pack. It is a pretty packaging that I received. It's a steel, chotu such steel dabba. As you can see, it's all steel. I mean, even after you are done using this product, this was just for 100 rupees, guys. Imagine the steel dabba and this product. But I don't know, guys, I'm not disappointed because I have seen a lot of YouTubers show this with a wooden spoon. I didn't receive the wooden spoon. I only received this packet and the steel dabba. But still, it's okay. But still, you know, when you get extra Indian mentality, right? When you get extra products, you are more happy, more happy, more happy. So yeah, I was thinking I'll get a wooden spoon as well, but I didn't get it. I only got the steel dabba, which is still fine. The next product I ordered is this underarm roll-on from Nivea again. This is a whitening smooth skin deodorant. It smells good, right, guys? It smells heaven. Wow. And especially I like this package, which is really cute. It's very cute. A small bottle and a cute packaging. The next product I have is the Maybelline Fit Me Matte Plus Poreless Compact Powder. This has up to 12 hours of oil control. I don't know. I'm disappointed with the foundation color, so I don't know how well this would work. Yeah, this is a shade I would prefer still. Yeah, it's good. It's good, guys. I like the shade. So my shade was, the shade I purchased was 109 Light Ivory. So that's fine. And the last product, I am sad this video is getting to be over. No, I'm not sad because this video is about to finish, but I'm sad because my products are finished. That's all I have for today. So this is the last product. This is Alps Goodness Swiss Love Geranium Face Tightening Facial Kit, Skin Tightening Facial Kit. So this is Alps Goodness Facial Kit. It has 5 packages like this, with clearly written as step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4 and step 5. So yeah, this is your facial kit. I'm going to use it on any special occasion. You know, right after 25 usually you have those signs of aging which may not be visible to someone else, but when we look at ourselves in the mirror, we do find very small signs of aging, very fine lines under the eyes. So Maybe even I started getting them, so that's the reason I'm trying to hide them. So yeah, that's the reason I have bought this package. Then I bought Wow's retinol cream, which also has anti-aging properties. And I also want to hide my marks, guys. I have got pimples because of the Faces Canada wipes, which seriously did not go off even after so much of try. So I want to get rid of them. I'm trying a few creams. Maybe that was one of the mistakes that I did. Okay, so I just told you, let's wait for this to dry and see what happens. So the eyeliner seems to be dried, but I think the black one is taking really a long time. It has not dried because I've spoken for so long, and the black one is still it took time. So Bella was the black, not that great, because eyeliners are supposed to be dried as quick as possible. You can't sit closing your eyes until it dries like this. That is the biggest headache when it comes to makeup, I feel. But yeah, the golden color is very good from Bella Vista itself. It is very good. Yeah, Bella Vista had this offer where you get free, buy one get one free. So that's the reason I bought two eyeliners. Although I had black one, I thought what else to buy. So black eyeliner again. So the golden one was fine, but again the green one from I think the green one, yes, it was from NY Bay. That one did not dry as well. Yes, but NYB blue one has dried off. Maybe that's because I put it a very long ago. So yes, my hand is full of swatches now. If you could see this, see this, see this. It's full of swatches. So yeah, that's all for today's video, guys. If you like my video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed yet. And if you haven't started following me yet, please do start following me on my Instagram. The link is on the description box. And you can also hit on the bell icon on my video if you haven't hit, so that you will be notified when I upload videos on my channel. So guys, please don't forget to like, share and comment on the video. Please let me know which of these products review would you want to get first, so that I will start using them right away. Okay guys, so that's all for today. Have a great day. Bye bye. Take care. Love you all.